Welcome to you all in your channel. So let us start today a second chapter of polynomials. So second chapter of grade 9th polynomial. So very first let us find what are polynomials. Poly means so many, nomials means terms. So the expression, algebraic expression which is having so many terms is known as polynomial. So poly means so many, okay, and nomials means term. So let me take one example: x square plus 4x plus 3. So this is, how many terms are there? Plus and minus separates the term. Where is plus? This is plus and this is plus. So see how many terms are there. Multiply and divide comes in one term only. So one term, second term and three terms. So this is having more than two terms, three terms. So this is polynomial. Then come to our next, x cube plus 3x square plus minus 3x plus 2. So plus and minus separates the term. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. You have to see only plus and minus. Rest you don't. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 terms. 2x minus 3 minus 1, 2. 2 terms. Okay. And this is 4 terms. And this is 3 terms. And if I am writing 4 into x is to the power 100. No plus and minus is there, only one term. So on your syllabus, the one term polynomial is called. What is the difference between polynomial and equation? In polynomial, there is no equal to sign. See in all these, there is no equal to sign. And in equation, there is equals to sign. So the one term polynomial is called monomial. The two-term term is called binomial. Three-term trinomial. Tetranomial, cubic polynomial. So tetranomial, 4 terms. So that means according to these we can say this is monomial, binomial, trinomial, tetranomial like this. But in general what can you say? General we can say this is polynomial. Poly means so many terms. This is also polynomial, this is also polynomial, this is also polynomial and this is also polynomial. Okay. This is one thing. Second thing comes degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial means what is the maximum power of variable is called the degree of polynomial. So here I am saying, let me see in this 2x minus 3. So what is the power of x? Nothing. So the power of x should be 1. So what is the degree of polynomial? 1. In this polynomial, if I'll ask, what is the degree of this polynomial? Okay. Minus plus minus. So what is the highest power of x? Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. So the highest power is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Same way the degree of this polynomial is highest power is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. And same way degree of this polynomial is the power of this is 100. The degree of this polynomial is 100. Okay. So these are known as the degree of polynomials. The power, maximum power of the variable are known as degree of polynomials. So one more term, one thing comes, which are not the polynomials. So these all are polynomials, but if the variable has negative power or the power in fraction, okay, so this is not the polynomial. This one case will not the polynomial. This is not the polynomial. Example, let me give you x is to the power 1 upon 2. Power is in fraction. This is not a polynomial. Or I can write 1 upon y. So y, let me bring it up. So what I can write? It is y raised to the power 1. Bring it up. Y raised to the power minus 1. The power is negative. So this is also not the polynomial. Okay. And the second things, if the polynomial is of the form ax plus b, that means x is to the power 1. This is called linear polynomial. Okay. Then if power ax square plus bx plus c, that means x is having power 2. So that means this is called the quadratic polynomial. Okay. And then if it is having power 3, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, this is called cubic polynomial. Okay. So linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. So linear polynomial example 2x plus 3, because this will not have any variable. Quadratic 4x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, it can be. So this is quadratic. I can write this quadratic or like this also, 4x square plus 2. This is also called quadratic polynomial, but it is not having this middle one term. So why this is quadratic? Because this is having maximum power 2. So this I can write in quadratic form. See how? 4x square plus x term is not there. So if I write 0 into x plus 2 of 1, so 0x means 0. So it will remain same. So this is also quadratic. Same way if I am writing cubic, so it can be 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. And one more cubic, 4x cube. This is also cubic polynomial. Okay, but we have to say its power, highest power. So this is the general information about your chapter. And what are called the coefficients of any polynomial? So the constant term of variable. If I am taking 2x square plus 3x plus 4, this are 2. So what is the constant of x square? 2. So 2 is the coefficient of x square. What is the constant of x? 3. So plus 3. So plus 3 is the coefficient of x. What is the variable here? Don't know. Here is some variable which is having x raised to the power 0. Because 2, 1 then 0. But x raised to the power 0, as you read in 8th class, a raised to the power 0 is 1. Something raised to the power is 0. 1. So therefore x raised to the power 0 is 1. So this can be written as this. Therefore x raised to the power 0 is not written. So only this much we can write. Okay. So now let us start directly our exercise. So let us come in exercise 2.1. And our first question of exercise 2.1 is, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? Give reason for your example. So first is 4x square minus 3x plus c 7. See, which they are saying polynomial in one variable. So it is having, whole polynomial is having variable x. So it has only one variable and it is also the polynomial. Which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Okay, trinomial. So this is a, yes, so we can write this is a polynomial in one variable. Okay, rightful. This is a polynomial in one variable. Then second part, y square plus root 2. See the variable y. So it has power 2. So this is also a polynomial, which binomial. Okay, two terms. Let us see the third part. 3 root t plus t root 2. So we have to see only the variable. Constant term doesn't matter. It can be any. So 3 into root t. Root if I erase, so t raised to the power root 2. So it will become 1 upon 2 power. Okay, root is power 1 upon 2. Plus t raised to the power 1 and root 2 will write as it is because root 2 is a number. So now here the variable has power in fraction. So it is not a polynomial. So we will write it is not a polynomial as variable has power in fraction. Okay. Same way, let us take a fourth part, y plus 2 upon y. So let me write it properly. 2 into y raised to the power 1. Bring it upside, y raised to the power minus 1. This is also not a polynomial because the variable has negative power. Okay. Same way, fifth one, x raised to the power 10 plus y raised to the power 3 plus t raised to the power 50. It is a polynomial, but the variable are here x, y, t. There are three different variables. So it is a polynomial, but it is not the polynomial in one variable. So we will write it has three variables. What? X, y, and t. So therefore it is not a polynomial in one variable. Okay. Let me go in second question. What is second question? Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So first is 2 plus x square plus x. Second one is 2 minus x square plus x cube. Third part is pi by 2 x square plus x. And fourth part is root 2x minus 1. You have to write the coefficient of x square. So x square, find the x square in first one. This. What is the coefficient? It's constant term in front of it. 1. So therefore, coefficient of x square is plus 1. Here, x square is this. What is in front of x square? Minus 1. So we'll write coefficient of x square is minus 1. What is the coefficient of x square? Pi by 2. So we'll write coefficient of, write full coefficient, okay, of x square is equals to pi by 2. Here coefficient of x square is not here. So we can write 0 into x square. 0 into something is 0. So no effect in the polynomial. So therefore coefficient of x square is 0. Okay. This is your second one. Let me move in third question. So they are very easy. If you do practice, it will become very easy for you. There is no difficulty in doing all these questions. So give one example of each of a binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. तो सबसे पहले हमें binomial of degree 35 देखना है. Binomial means two terms. तो ये बीच में प्लस होना चाहिए, एक यहाँ. तो मैं लिख देती हूँ 2x and plus 3. तो binomial होना चाहिए only 2. So of degree 35. तो इसकी degree 35 करनी है. ठीक है. Second one is monomial. Monomial means एक ही टर्म लिखना है. चलो y वेरिएबल कर देते हैं. वेरिएबल कैन बी एनी ऑफ डिग्री 100. तो इसकी डिग्री 100 कर लो और इसके आगे कोई कांस्टेंट लिख सकते हो. लेट मी राइट 4y into raised to the power 100. You can write any whichever you want. Okay. So this is question number 3. Come to question number 4. Write the degree of each of the polynomial. You have to write the degree. Just question number 4. First part is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Second part is 4 minus y square. Third part is 5t minus root 7. And fourth part is 3. You have to write the degree of each polynomial. So see the highest power of variable 3. So degree of this is 3. Highest power by 2. So degree is 2. Highest power of variable is 1. So degree is 1. There is no variable. If I write variable, so I should write 0. So then it becomes 1. 3 into 1, 3 only. So the degree is 0. Okay. Let me go in fifth question now. So they are very easy. I think you also feeling that the exercise is very easy. So please do it, do practice, then only it will become much better for you. Fifth, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. First part, x square plus x. Second one, x minus x cube. Third, y plus y square plus 4. Fourth is 1 plus x. Fifth is 3t. Sixth is r square. And seventh is 7x cube. So we have to find whether they are linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. So very first see, what is the highest degree of this polynomial? 2. So power 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So this is quadratic. polynomial. Okay, highest power 3. This is cubic polynomial. Highest power 2. What is again? Quadratic polynomial. Highest power 1. 1 is called linear polynomial. Highest power 1. Again it is linear polynomial. Highest power 2. Again quadratic polynomial. Right, full. Highest power 3. It is cubic polynomial. Oh. So our first exercise 2.1 is completed. All the examples you have to do with your own. Try yourself, do practice, keep on practicing. Till then, bye. See you in next video.